Hi, welcome to your maths lesson. There are different strategies for mental addition. I will go over a few of them. Then there's a worksheet to complete. Doubles and near doubles. Double 83. Well, you could double 80, which is 160, then double 3, which is 6, and then add those two together. Double 59. You double 50, which is 100, double 9, which is 18, and add them together. Near doubles. So we've got 48 and 49. So we can double 48, which is double 40 is 80, double 8 is 16, and then add on the 1. Adding using jumps. So here we've got 639, add 60. So we've got our number here, our larger number, and we're going to add on the smaller number. And because it's a multiple of 10, we can just add that straight on to get 699. Still adding using jumps, but not when it's not a multiple of 10. So we've got 573, add 29. Put the larger number down here, so we've got 573, add on the 20, add on the 9. Addition with missing numbers. So here we've got 536, add something, is 617. So we know we've got 536, and we know we've got 617. So we need to add to get to that number. So we can add on 4 to get to the nearest 10, to get to 540, then add 60 to get to the nearest 100, 600, and then add on 17. You can now use these strategies to complete this sheet.